Ladies and gentlemen, thanks again for tuning in. Nate here with RHRSwag.com, going to show you an absolute must. Go by two names, either vent visors or window deflectors. Here today, we have the EGR Slimline Matte Black Window Deflectors. Really cool system here. I especially like this nice, totally matte black setup. Goes right into the window channel on your truck. This matte black system here, we do also have, I guess, the original Slimline. It's a little more of a see-through, darker smoked color. Also, as far as the build for these, really dexterous acrylic material, form fit, again, custom built for each and every make, model, and year. So you will want to make sure that you get your cab style down correctly so we can get a perfect fit for you the first time around. Limited lifetime warranty. This product is made in the United States. EGR was nice enough to help us out with our trucks. We hope that you'll let us help you out with yours. Join us at RHRSwag.com.